What's up, man? Your boy just got off work. And yes, you don't know I am a mechanic. Well, I'm going to school to be a mechanic, but, well, a tech. I'm trying to be a tech. Same thing, but, yeah, man, let me see. Not exposed to no addresses. Okay, yeah, okay. So, you know, this is the second part of the build right now. This is like, you know what I'm saying? This about to be the bread, but I can't wait to see how this look, y'all. Okay, yeah, we recording. I gotta, you know, so I like to keep all my reactions, all my unboxings, everything raw. So, try not to script anything. So, my first time seeing it, this is the assembled upper that I bought. So, if you don't know, if this is your first time watching the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You know, drop a like. Comment below what you think. So, I'm building my first AR, and we're going with like a kit kind of build for the first build, just to get the, you know, the feeling of things. I don't have a blade, so I'm using my little pocket. But yeah, so we're getting the hang of things. So we're building our first AR. This is kind of like gonna be like the build where it's not killing the budget, but it's also not cheap. So I think the end total of this build is gonna cost anywhere between, I think, $1,400. I think it's gonna be like $1,400 in total when I get done with everything. We have WMD guns. I got this wing tactical. But let's see. Hold on. Let's look at it, man. Y'all not here to see me talk. No, y'all not here to hear me talk. You know what I'm saying? Y'all here to see what's in the title. So let's see. Ooh, this look good. Hold on, y'all. This is a total different look than what I was thinking. Y'all see this? That look good. It's like it's not silver. It is silver, but it's like a kind of dull finish. Okay. It got a different kind of muzzle brake on it, so it's not a flat, just a muzzle brake. Okay, it came with a muzzle brake. It got just the regular M-lock system up here. And okay, maybe I should never just did that. Oh, there you go. Okay. The bulk carrier. Okay, I didn't know that just comes out like that. Okay, so this is just how it comes apart. Okay, I didn't know that. It's my first time building one, so yeah, I think this is the forward assist. And yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all the specs to everything. It looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I like the way how it look. Can't wait to see how it fire. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna get all the specs for y'all. Oh yeah, so this is the Fail Zero nickel bearing bolt carrier. So it's a nice bolt carrier. It's real light. Then this is also the nickel bearing charging handle. Let's see something real quick with me. So as y'all can see, it's very nice. It's like a dull. It's not shiny. I like the way how that look. I don't care for it to be shiny like that. I like the dull look. That's the charging handle. That's the bulk carrier. Yeah, man. Everything came packaged the way and how I would want it to be packaged. It's very nice, man. So I'm gonna put all the specs on the screen, and I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what comes with the kit. So it's chambered in 5.56 and 223. That's first. The finish is a nickel bearing coating, but it's like forged. I think what is it forged out of though? Oh, this is forged aluminum, not nickel. It's forged aluminum with nickel bearing coating. So it's forged aluminum, but it's the coating on here you see is nickel bearing. The handguard, this is a 15-inch handguard, and the barrel is still 16 inches. And this is a primary weapon system compensator, and it comes with a low profile gas block. See it right there. Yeah, so the bolt carrier is forged aluminum, and this is forged aluminum. It's all coated in the nickel bearing, so it's pretty cool. So this whole assembly right here, give me 1 second. This whole assembly right here with the bolt carrier, of course. How do I put this back in here? Oh boy. There we go, man. It's basically just gonna be a quick unboxing, man. Nothing too crazy. I did a terrible job explaining that. That's my first upper assembly unboxing ever. I butchered it, but I'm keeping it on the channel just because I told you I'm gonna keep everything raw. Like I said, even when I start building, I'm gonna keep everything raw. That being granted, I do not have this channel for informational purposes. It's all entertainment, and y'all can see me going through my journey with firearms. You know what I'm saying? Getting into it, learning about it, learning more about it, meeting new people, talking to y'all. So yeah, so that's what we got for the lower. The upper. As you know, we are using the Spikes Tacticals the lower receiver with the upper assembly. The upper receiver, we're using Spikes completed lower and WMD's forged aluminum forged aluminum completed upper with the Spikes Tactical lower, and we're gonna see how that combination works out. So can't wait to test this guy out. We gotta go take this and put it all together. I'm still waiting on the irons to come in the mail. We got the irons coming in the mail, and I'm supposed to have a sling. Now, I made a mistake and ordered the Coyote sling, but it might go nice with this. I don't know yet. I also got a black sling upstairs. But yeah, we gonna rock the irons out on this guy for a minute, and we gonna see, man. Overall, I think I'm gonna like it, though. 16-inch barrel, and it's gonna be like, yeah. We gonna see, man. Alright, man, it's your boy TBGVLOGS, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Y'all probably didn't, because I butchered it. But I'm going to keep on posting for y'all, man. Only better content from here on out. Peace.